Sometimes it could be hard to write professionally about your subject. Copilot can help busy people write emails by applying a specific tone or structure to the message, helping the writer sound more engaging, casual, or professional as needed. With this prompt, I'll use Microsoft 365 Copilot to draft me an email. I know what I need to say, but I want some help putting it into words. So I'll choose New Email, and on the email body, I choose Draft with Copilot. In the prompt window, I'll add my goal, which is draft an email and request information from Toby about care and support assessments. And now the context, and I add, I need information on the procedures, key considerations, and any best practices you recommend when conducting care and support assessments. Now, this is my expectation or what I want Copilot to present to me. Draft an email in a polite, formal, and professional tone. Use my name as a signature and Toby as the recipient. When Copilot writes the draft, I have options to make it longer, shorter, or change the tone. So I think it's too professional, so I'm going to change the tone to casual. And I'll choose to make it longer to add some more detail. Now, when I'm happy with the draft, I choose to keep it. And now I can edit it ready for sending. Using Copilot to draft emails allows people to create effective messages, and it improves clarity and professionalism, saves them time, and ensures consistency.